Hey there, this is James Francis and I wanted to give you a really quick video here with something super important to your success with your online business. Now, I get people coming to me all the time and say, James, I've tried everything and nothing works. I'm sure you felt that way before, right? You're just overwhelmed, frustrated, confused, and feeling like, you know what, I've tried everything, it's not working for me. How do all of these people become super successful when I've tried everything and it's not working? Well, here's the secret. Come closer. Come on, come closer. Okay, here's the secret. The fact that you've tried everything is the problem. It's not the fact that you've tried everything and you can't find the one thing. It's because you've tried everything that you're failing. Okay, and here's why. So when you're focusing on lots of different things at the same time or separately or one after another, you're not focusing on one thing enough to make it successful. Okay, and this is a big problem in our industry. It's that shiny object syndrome, like a magpie looking for shiny objects. Like, I want that. Oh, I know I want that. I want to start with drop shipping. Then I want to go over and sell digital products. Then I want to go over and have an agency. Then I want to, help offline businesses, local businesses, right? And then maybe I want to sell laptops or my grandma's panties on eBay, whatever it is, right? They move from one thing to the next. And if you're watching this video, you may be one of those people. So listen closely. The problem is the fact that you're moving from one thing to the next too quickly. You're giving up too soon and you're not giving it a chance. Now, what do I mean by giving up too soon? When is too soon? When should I give up before moving on to the next thing? Well, that's difficult to tell because it depends on your schedule, how many hours you put into something, your ability in that area, and so on and so on. Like 100 different variables, right? But what I can tell you is that if you are moving from one thing to the next, you're never going to succeed ever. You need to focus on one thing, just one thing. Choose. Literally just think of what is the best suited business model for you, niche for you, and the best types of products or services for you. What do you enjoy? So first and foremost, what type of business model? Do you want to be an expert where you're on video, you're helping people to achieve a specific goal? Or do you want to be selling physical items? You don't really care about helping people, you just want to make some money. If that's you, then selling physical stuff may be better for you. If you want to leave a legacy behind, if you want things to be mostly automated, if you want to, create things and just let it, run on autopilot, then a digital products business may be better for you, right? So choose your type of business model. And then second, choose your niche that you want to go into. And, with all these decisions, by the way, you should stick to them. Don't think, I'm going to start with this and then move on to something else. Choose the thing you want to focus on for the rest of your life. Okay, that's a big, scary concept, isn't it? Like, wow, for the rest of my life, right? Yes, it needs to be that much of a commitment. And even though it may not be for the rest of your life, that's the thought you need to have at the back of your head. Like, would I be happy with this in 10 years from now, 20 years from now, 30 years from now, and so on? Because sometimes that's what it takes to get to beyond 7 or 8 figures or however big you want to scale your business to. Of course, it doesn't always take that long, but if you're doing the wrong things, it probably would take that long, right? If you're not following something that's proven. So choose your business model and choose your niche based upon what you enjoy, what you are passionate about, or even what you have an interest in that you can see yourself talking about in 10, 20, 30 years in the future. Okay, once you've done that, think about how you want to be helping people. Is it that you want to just have everything automated? If that's the case, digital products where you create them once and just let them run and that's it would probably be best for you. Or if you love helping people on a service-based, concept or environment where you're helping them with a specific task or doing something for them like coaching, consulting, or a done for them type of agency service like a marketing service or advertising service, for example, any of those things may be a good fit for you. So choose one thing and focus on that one thing. Don't try everything, because if you try everything, nothing is going to work, because you're going to be digging for that gold and only get that far into the soil where the gold is down here, right? You're only digging this far and then digging another hole here, which is only that shallow, and then digging another hole, and this gold is still there. But if you focus on one thing, you're going to get all the way down to the bottom of that pit to the gold, which is what you want, right? So the importance here is on focus and determination. You need to be like John Wick. I'm sure you've seen the movie, right? John Wick is this determined dude. He's just going to get what he wants because he's super focused on that one thing. And that's what's super important as an entrepreneur. And I would have not succeeded, with my business and with our employees. They would not be working for me or anything else if I would have just been moving from one shiny object to the next shiny object and so on. I'm only where I am right now because I focused on one thing, become better at it over time, and become super, super aggressive with, focus and determination. And this is going to work no matter what. That's the kind of thought you want to have at the back of your head, not like, how long should I give it until I quit? Because if you're thinking that, you've already lost. You've already lost if you're thinking like, I'm going to give it this many months, I'm going to give it this many years or whatever. You've already lost because you've got that quitting mindset. Like, you need to put yourself in a position where you have no choice but to succeed, right? So hopefully this video has helped you. If it has, give it a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe using the button below this video if you're watching on YouTube, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.